this line here. Everyone can see this line? Imagine this is 0. Above this line, superstar. Below this line, failure. Superstar, failure. Okay. What they did is, they did a research. They went to 4 groups of people. So they told one group of people, you please rest. They told another group of people, you please exercise. They told another people, you rest, but you take some amino acids, some foods. They told another group, you please do exercise and take amino acids. Now what they discovered is, people who rest, there is a failure. This below the line is loss of muscle. Above the line is gain muscle. Now what happened is, they found out people who are just resting, they are losing muscle. People who are exercising, what is happening? So, is anyone exercising in this room? Yes. Could you be losing muscle? Maybe. I don't know. Have you checked your weight before you started the season and today? I don't know. Have you taken tape measure? Bicep, thigh, calf. Have you taken tape measure? What is your reading before the season? What is your reading during season? Have you lost? And then they found out those who are resting and taking amino acids. What are amino acids? Proteins. Amino acids are protein. They found out there is a muscle protein synthesis. Off season when you go home, you can use that as the best time to gain weight and gain muscle. Never mind if you get a little bit of fat. When you come back into training, that fat can be used as an energy source. And the team that did exercise plus amino acids, check out muscle protein synthesis. So where are you as a player in this? Where are you as a sports fitness in this? You decide. Are you here? Are you here? Are you here? Or are you here? Okay? So it's very important when I work with players, they're doing exercise, I give them a good quantity of protein. And you will see yourself get quality muscle. The problem is the Indian diet doesn't have protein through the day. Yeah, one lunchtime meal can have 60 grams of protein. But body can absorb only 15 to 20 grams of protein per 1.5 to 2 hours. So you want to be splitting your protein through the day. Okay? So as a sports expert, I would say split your protein through the day. Like for example in trainers, you like to eat a lot of eggs. Okay? The human body can absorb 15 grams of protein per hour. So one egg white is 3 grams of protein. So maximum now your body can process 5 eggs. So I know a lot of bodybuilders who eat 10 eggs. So instead of eating 10 eggs at one time, eat 2 eggs now. 2 eggs later. So 2 eggs later. And sustain that so that there is a constant delivery of amino acids into the blood. What's my mission? My mission is to help you out there in athlete. I have a clinic called QA. QA in Latin means incapacity. I help the athlete discover his or her capacity. In Latin it means incapacity now. So we help people discover their capacity. I have a team of the best nutritionists in India, and we do genetic testing, diet, supplements, sports nutrition, and we help people align everything that they do. This is how a nutrition plan would look for a player. Now, somebody asked me now, should I drink water in the morning? Sir, you asked me. So if you see here, 5:30 in the morning, can you see this? Water, how many servings? 2. I've asked the person to start with 200 ml of water and 1 vitamin C tablet first thing in the morning. Okay? Then at 6 o'clock, 1 apple. Can you see that? 1 apple here. Then water. Can you see this? How many servings? 10. What size? 100. How much water I'm asking to consume? A liter of water during 6:30 to 7:30. Then I'm asking them to take lemon water, 1 glass, fast charge, that is a sports drink, that is 10 grams, so 30 grams. 30 grams in lemon water, 1 glass. Post-workout, okay? at 8:30. Now check this out. He is already consumed, since he's got up, 1.5 liters of liquid. Post-workout egg white. How many numbers? 2. Milk, 150 ml. Pediasure. By the way, there's a baby food formula called Pediasure. Yeah? I use it as the best weight gain supplement on the planet. It's a baby food formula. But it's designed to grow the baby. So there are a lot of babies in this room who are not grown. Okay? So in the sports nutrition plan, I use Pediasure. Cheese spread, bread toast, 2 slices. 1 multivitamin, 1 omega-3 fatty acid. This is an omega-3. Omega-3 is a fish oil. Since you live in Goa and if you eat fish every day, you don't need an omega-3 supplement. But try and eat at least 1 fish every day. That will really help you. Okay? I don't like fish there. If you eat a food and you don't puke and you don't run to the bathroom and it doesn't cause too much of pimples, please eat it. Forget your taste buds. It's good for your body. If it causes vomiting, if it causes diarrhea, if it causes like cold or skin eruptions, then you're allergic to it, please don't have it. Check this out. 10:30. Britannia 5-grain biscuit. I'm asking him to take one biscuit, fresh lemon juice. Lunch 12:30. Okay. Oh, I forgot about beetroot. You get beetroot in Goa?
Yes.
Huh? You get beetroot in Goa? Sushil Kumar won the Olympic medal because of beetroot. I have somewhere over here. It's a recent symposium at the London Olympics. It's a sports nutrition conference, and we got this. A lot of things about supplements. There's whey protein, beta alanine. There's a full scientific paper. Can you see that? Beetroot releases something known as nitrates. Sir, I'm football player. Nitrate क्या है? Simple. 2 beetroots. Put it into it. Beetroot का color क्या है? Red. खून का color क्या है? It helps increase the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर मेरे खून के अंदर वो हीमोग्लोबिन होता है, वो हीमोग्लोबिन क्या है? Hemoglobin is like how to explain it to you? I don't. Okay, my hand is hemoglobin. वे बाहर जाता है. So outside is oxygen. I take oxygen, I bring it. This is the muscle. I give oxygen to the muscle. What does he give back to me? वापस क्या देता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मेरे को देता है. ये बाद में वापस lungs बाहर oxygen give. This hemoglobin. Okay, if you take beetroot, ये 1 से 2-3 बनता है. समझ गया? So if it becomes more, your oxygen carrying capacity increases. What is happening if your oxygen capacity increases? If you have more oxygen capacity, heart rate is better. Stamina becomes more efficient. As a football player, what is that to you?
Improve performance.
Improve performance. What? Eating 2 beetroots will improve your performance. आपको सिर्फ ये चीज करने का है. 2 बीटरूट लेने का है. रॉ और बॉइल्ड. आप लोग बैचलर है ना, एक फ्रूट पीलर लेकर जाओ, रूम के अंदर रखो. बीटरूट ले लो, पील करो, खाओ. सर टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं है और हार्ड वन स्लैप हो गया. You need to perform. 2 beetroots, trust me, 6 months, do it. The coach will see your timings come down in sprinting and everything. So my $1 million tip to you today: see that you eat beetroot every day. Very cheap, does not require a fridge, does not need to be cooked. अगर टेस्ट को पसंद नहीं है तो सैलेड में काटने का है, प्याज के साथ मिला के कुछ सैलेड बनाना, उसको खा लो. नहीं तो नींबू पानी बनाओ, put it into नींबू पानी, put it into the blender, sieve it, नींबू पानी beetroot. Excellent for performance. Okay, so coming back, I do almonds, oranges. How many oranges, sir? मैं एक orange खाया. What is this here? How many oranges? Okay, I'm going to do a quick quiz. आपका नाम क्या है? मनदीप. कल क्या किया? प्रैक्टिस किया कल? Okay, Mandeep. What's your name? Imran. Kal practice kiya? Yeah, you did practice. Okay. Yesterday, can you tell me what fruit you had yesterday? No fruit. Yesterday, what fruit you had? No fruit. Okay? I'm not saying anything. What I'm saying to you, to become a super athlete, 5 servings of fruit, 5 servings of vegetable. You don't do this, you cannot become Ronaldo. Not possible. Not possible. You have the best coach, no problem. You have the best facility, no problem. Inside, you are a rickshaw. Chota rickshaw. So I'm not saying that you didn't know about this, but from today onwards, if I ever meet Mandeep and Imran, and I ask you, dude, how many fruits you ate? Sir, I've already eaten 4 fruits. Mandeep, kitna fruit khaya? Sir, already 6 fruits. I said, attitude hona chahiye. Because fruits will increase your blood carrying capacity. आप लोग और इंडिया में सब लोग जो होते हैं, हम सब लोग आम आदमी हैं, कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, और बाद में सबका देश देखता है कि अरे यार वो इतना गोल्ड मेडल मिलते हैं, हमको कुछ नहीं. ये गवर्नमेंट को ब्लेम करो, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को ब्लेम करो, आदिदास को ब्लेम करो, मेरे को स्पॉन्सरशिप दे दें. अरे आप साला फूल भी ये जो एप्पल नहीं खाता है, ऑरेंज नहीं खाता है. आई एम नॉट अटैकिंग यू. I'm not attacking you. I'm only saying you want to become a world-class player. From today, make sure 20 rupees in your pocket goes to buying bananas, apples and everything. Okay? It's very, very important. And trust me, if you do this, if you each one of you do this, milk, eggs, beetroot, fruits, I challenge you, I will challenge your coach that your performance will increase by 50% in 6 months. Basic thumb rules. 30 to 60 grams of carbs per hour of exercise. What is 30 to 60 grams? Well, a banana is around 30 grams. Multigrain, 5 number biscuits is around 30 to 60 grams. 1 bottle of Gatorade is 30 grams. 1 apple is around 30 grams. A handful of dry fruit is around 60 grams of carbohydrate. Okay? 25 to 30 grams of protein post-game. Coach, if you can get them to get 25 grams of protein into the body as soon as they finish 1 or 2 hours of solid practice, this will help in the muscle recovery. So 25 grams of protein you would get from, let's say, around 300 ml of milk plus around 3 eggs, okay, and a slice of cheese, maybe a banana or 2 thrown in there. So literally they have to have a feast. When they're taking off their shoes, they need to be eating because of the recovery window. Keep that in mind. If you're waiting to reach home and eat, you are a loser. Your muscles are a loser. Amino acids, branched amino acids, glutamine, 10 grams each are best for pro players. Till you're sponsored, it's expensive. But if you get sponsored and you're earning more than 30,000-40,000 rupees a month, please invest in BCC and glutamine for your muscles. Omega-3, if you eat fish a day, 1 pomfret, 2 banglas every day, then you don't need omega-3, otherwise you can take an omega-3. Calcium and magnesium supplementation. Thank you very much. My voice is going on.